foodies, what's up? Welcome back to Campus Cravings, your snack-sized ticket to the tastiest corners of college life. And today, we have pulled up to lovely Professional University, which is one of the largest universities in Jalandhar, Punjab. We all know the age-old debate, North Indian food versus the rest of India. And now that we are at LPU campus, let's put those taste buds to test. Because if anyone knows what's really hitting, it's the students, because they are the ultimate food critics. Let's go and find out what their recommendations are. What eatery would you recommend inside the campus?
I would recommend you to eat white sauce pasta from Oven Express, salted caramel crusher from Oven Express.
Salted crusher.
Okay.
Salted caramel crusher from Oven Express.
White sauce pasta, Oven Express.
White sauce pasta from Oven Express. Yes, white sauce pasta from Oven Express.
I would say Oven Express Mata salted caramel crusher. You should try it.
Okay.
Oven Express का वो भी अच्छा है. White sauce pasta.
You can try chole bhature from NK Food Court,
Okay.
which is at the back side of the BHC.
NK का वो अमृतसरी नान ट्राई करो अच्छा है.
NK रेस्टोरेंट 55 ब्लॉक बहुत अच्छे हैं उसके छोले भटूरे. NK के छोले भटूरे.
NK के गोलगप्पे.
Cold coffees from Nescafe.
Brownie and ice cream from Nescafe.
Cheesy fries from Nescafe.
Thank you.
Try the cheesy fries in Nescafe CC.
Okay.
Yeah, I would recommend the same. KitchenAid के आलू पराठे.
Inside the kitchenette है आलू पराठा.
आलू पराठा. आलू पराठा. Same as aloo paratha and rajma rice. Paneer rice. Yeah, it's very delicious. It's new to me, especially coming to India.
Okay, that's great. Do you like it?
I like it.
Okay, that's great. एक cold coffee कर दो. So we are ordering cheesy fries and cold coffee from Nescafe. Nescafe is definitely a cult classic and everyone just absolutely loves the cold coffee from Nescafe. So let's try it. Yeah, it's really good. It's really sweet and really cool. I like it. Let's try them out. The fries are peri-peri and they're loaded with mayonnaise and tandoori sauce and all that you can see. So they're definitely good and I really like them because I am a foodie. So the fries are really spicy because they are peri-peri, as I told you earlier. I've had most of them and along with that I'm having the cold coffee, so they're making a really good combo. I would rate them a 7.5 out of 10. So Nescafe is definitely TYC approved. Next, we are at Oven Express and we are going to try their white sauce pasta along with salted caramel crusher. So, ये एक white sauce pasta कर दो and एक salted caramel crusher कर दो. Okay, it has enough cheese as we can see. I really like this pasta. It is spicy, cheesy and it has all sorts of veggies. They have capsicums, corns. So it's really good. I really like the flavor profile of the pasta. And definitely because we are in Punjab, it's a little more spicy than usual. And it's a little spicier than my taste buds as well. But I really like it and I'm really enjoying having it. Overall, I really loved Oven Express and I would like to rate these items a solid 9 on 10. It's TYC approved. We are here at KitchenAid and we're gonna try their aloo parantha. So let's find out what they taste like. Aloo parantha kar do ek. This aloo paratha is literally bigger than my face. Just look at it. But let's see how it tastes. This paratha literally tastes like how my mom makes it at home. The alus are soft. The paratha is cooked crispy, and the spices are perfect. And even they have even put onions and small green chilies inside it, which I really like. And they have given green chutney and achar along with it. It makes me feel like I'm at home right now. So yeah, I just love it. I would give this aloo paratha from KitchenAid a good 8.5 out of 10. KitchenAid is definitely TYC approved. So this campus is huge, and that's why we've taken this electric rickshaw to go all across the campus to the other cafe. Now we are here at NK Food Court and we are going to try Punjab's favorite chole bhature. Your visit to Punjab is incomplete if you haven't had chole bhature. That's why we're having these chole bhature which all the students recommended, and I've paired it with a sweet lassi, which is Punjab's OG combination. The chole look really amazing. Let's try them out. They're so good. Like the typical Punjabi chole bhature taste. It's so good. The food was so good that I forgot to record it. The chane are amazing. The bhature were amazing. The lassi again amazing. My heart is full, my stomach is full, but I can have it more and more. So I would give this a solid 10 on 10 or maybe 11 on 10 because it was so good. NK Food Court is definitely TYC approved. And that's it for today's episode of Campus Cravings at LPU. After trying all these food joints, I can't tell you which side wins, north, south, east or west. But what I can tell you is that every food joint we hit was totally worth the hype. No drama, just delicious. Now it's your turn. Think your campus has better food than this? Drop it down in the comments below, tag your campus, and maybe we'll show up to your campus next to settle your foodie flex. Till then, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep the cravings alive.